Hello there. I am Lora Cheadle, and we've got some elections coming up in the United States that are kind of a big deal. So, my ask from you is to spend about 6 minutes a day, 12:06 every day, spending about 6 minutes. So, from 12:06 to 12:12 in a state of meditation, visualization, deep thought, whatever you want to call it. And what I want you to think about, to meditate, to ponder is the kind of world that you want to live in. All I want you to do is imagine, visualize, pretend that you are living in this kind of a world. And I will guide you through the meditation here right now, wherever you're at. If you can close your eyes, do. If you can't close your eyes, that's fine too. Just stay focused, just breathe. Bring to life your brain, your mind, your thoughts. And I want you to just think about the kind of world that you want to live in. See it: clean skies, clean water, beautiful, clean neighborhoods, mountains, beaches, whatever it is. You can get as granular as you want, looking at your sidewalks, the roads. Are they overcrowded? Are they peaceful? I want you to hear the sounds around you. Do you hear nature? Do you hear people talking and laughing? If you're inside, do you hear just people having conversation? Or do you hear arguments? Do you hear strained silence? Move into what you want to hear: laughter, joy. How do you feel? Do you feel safe? Do you feel free? Do you feel able to explore and to think and talk about different ideas and to have deep, enriching conversations with other people where you remain connected at a heart level, where you can have different thoughts, where you can have different beliefs, and you still honor and respect each other for your differences, as well as for your similarities? Imagine, visualize, or pretend you're having conversations with people who are very different, but you feel that oneness, that connection at the heart level with them, where you can feel that smiling, like that sense of an internal smile, that sense of love, loving the soul of the person that you are across from, them loving your soul, that equal respect, whether it's a boss, an employee, a coworker, whether it's family members or friends, or even people that you run into at the store. Feel your heart reach out and connect with the hearts of everybody around you, and feel that collective oneness, that collective elevation. What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it feel like to live in a world with no drama or very little drama? What is it like to live in a world where everybody believes in love, in unity, in oneness, in connection, in joy? Where some of the hustle has been dropped, where some of the greed has been dropped, where creativity, joy, freedom of expression, freedom of thought, where all of that predominates. Spend a few moments thinking about that, feeling that for you, for your family, for your friends. Think about the animals, the plants, all the other countries. We are one planet. We are one planet. in one universe. Feel the joy around the unity of our planet. Take a moment and think about some of the other countries, other cultures, other beliefs, and feel that connection. We all love our kids. We all want happiness. We all want peace. We all want love. And move into those similarities between cultures, within our culture, our nation, and then most importantly, within your family, within your friends, and within yourself. Feeling that connection within yourself, integrating all facets of who you are and finding peace in that balance. Take a deep breath. Hold that visualization, hold that place of oneness, connection, community within and without, as above, so below, as within, so without. Please repeat this 12:06 to 12:12 every day, now until the elections are over, or as long as you feel called. I'm Lora Cheadle. Thank you.